Write a Java program for abstract class to find areas of different shapes. Right. First of all, we have to know what is meaning of the abstract class. Here, abstract class in Java is a class that cannot be instantiated. Means you cannot create objects of it directly. With the class for which we can't create the objects, those classes are called as the abstract classes. If we are taking the normal classes, we can create the object. For the abstract classes, they are not allowing to create the objects. Here, the main purpose of abstract class it is used to provide the common base for other classes, and it can include both the abstract methods as well as the concrete methods. Whenever there is an abstract class, it is contained the two types of methods are there. The first one is the abstract method. Abstract method is nothing but these methods are not having any body, means no body. Its meaning is that they are not having any implementation. The abstract class contains abstract methods which are not having any implementation. Sometimes the abstract class also contains concrete method. Concrete method is with body. With body is nothing but it contains implement details, means it contains a code. Abstract methods doesn't contain code. Concrete contains the code here. This is the syntax of abstract class. Abstract class class name. To define any abstract class, we have to define with the abstract keyword. Abstract, after that write down the class keyword, after that write down the class name. Now this class name is called as the abstract class here. Abstract return type and the method name. Here this method is the abstract method. Why? Because it is not having any implementation. And also there is an abstract keyword here. Come to this one here. This is called as a concrete method. Void display. Why? Because it is having the implementation. The display contains a code here. System.out.println. This is a concrete method. The abstract class may contain abstract methods as well as the concrete methods are there. For this class, we are not allowing to create the object. Right. Come to the lab program point of view. Write a Java program for abstract class to find areas of the different shapes. Okay. First of all, I am creating the abstract class. The class name is a shape here. I am creating the abstract class. The class name is a shape, and it contains one method. The method name is a double area. This abstract class contains a method. The method name is a double area. Here in this one, there is no implementation, and also this is the abstract method here. The abstract class shape contains only one method, that is abstract method. It is not having any implementation. Next come to the first class here. I am creating a rectangle class. Class rectangle extends shape, means we are extending the shape class. Now we can write the code of this area in the rectangle. Double length and width here. Here I am taking the two instance variables length as well as width here. This is a constructor, rectangle constructor, double L, double W. Length equals to L. The length value becomes as a L value, width value becomes as a W here. During the object creation of the rectangle, whatever the values we are passing here, that will be stored in this place. Next, here implement the area method. Double area means for this area we are writing the code here. Return length into width here. The rectangle area is the length and width here. Return length into width. Come to the next class. I have created one more class. The class name is circle. Class circle extends shape. We are extending the shape class here. Double radius. Here I am taking the only one variable radius value. Circle double R. For this class I am the constructor circle, and we are passing the single parameter R here. Radius equals to R. Implement the area method. Double area return math.py 3.14. Math is a 3.14 into radius. In this way we are calculating the area of the circle here. Next I have the one more class, triangle class. Class triangle extends shape here. The class name is the triangle extends shape here. Extend with the we have to code for the area here. Double area 0.5 into base into height here. The triangle contains the base as well as height here. This is a constructor to pass the data for the base as well as height here. Base equals to b and height equals to h here. Observe this three class here. The first class name is rectangle, extend the shape. The area code is the return length into width here. For the circle point of view, extends the shape And what would the area code here? Pi r square means math that pi into radius. Triangle. For the triangle also extends the shape here. What about the double area here? 0.5 into base into height here. Means 1 by 2 into base into height here. Now come to the main class. Public class. The class name is the shape area demo. I give the name as the shape area demo. Public static void main string args. Shape S1 equals to new rectangle 10 comma 5. First of all, I am creating the object S1 object. This object is invoking the rectangle, means invoking the rectangle constructor, and here the L value is 10 and the W value is the 5 here. The W value is the 5 here. L value is 10, the W 5 means length is 10. Length is 10, and what would the width value? The width value is the 5 here. Next, come to the second one. Shape S2, the second object. The second object data point of view, new circle of 7 means it is invoking the circle and the radius value is 7 here. The radius value is 7. R value is 7. Next. Shape S3, new triangle. It is invoking the triangle class constructor and it is passing the 6 and 8 here. Means the base value is 6 and the height value is 8 here. The base is 6, the height is 8 here. After that, system.out.println area of rectangle S1 dot area. What is S1 here? The S1 is the object of the rectangle class. S1 dot area is nothing but return length into width here. What is the length value? 10. Width is 5 here. 10 into 5. The value is a 50. Means area of rectangle value is a 50. The first one. Next. System dot out dot println area of circle S2 dot area. Here what is S2 here? S2 is the object of circle class. Go to the circle class and it is invoking the area method. Math.pi means 3.14 into r into r. What are the radius value? 7. 7 into 7. Here the answer is the area of circle is the 153.9380400258998. That is answer. Next, system dot out dot println area of triangle S3 dot area. What are the S3? S3 is the object of triangle class. It is invoking the triangle method and it is invoking area method 0.5 into base into height. What is the base value? 6. And what is the height value? 8 here. 0.5 into 6 into 8. The value is 24. The area of triangle is 24. Means see this one here, the this one here, S1, S2, and S3, all these are belongs to the S1 is belongs to rectangle class, S2 is belongs to the circle class, S3 is belongs to the triangle class. Means abstract class is nothing but the class that cannot be instantiated, means you cannot be object for the class directly. It contains the abstract methods as well as the concrete methods are there. Abstract method is nothing but which is not having any body. Concrete is the which is having a body here. This is about the abstract class implementation in the Java.